Hi, in this video I will show you how to launch Jenkins server locally on your machine. First step, we need to download Jenkins package. Go to jenkins.io/download website, and then scroll down and find the generic Java package .war file. So the next step, we need to download it. Right click, save link as. And I'm gonna save first on the desktop file, so click save. After download is completed, what I'm going to do is to move file from my desktop to my home directory. So I will go to my username and then just paste this file here. Feel free to move this file anywhere or leave it in desktop, but when we're going to start Jenkins, it will create additional files that we need to keep. And to just have desktop clean, I recommend you to move this Jenkins.war file anywhere else out of desktop. Alright, so the next step is I'm inside my home directory, and to launch Jenkins server, we just need to execute command java-jar and then file name that we just downloaded, jenkins.war. Okay, so you will see output from server. So basically right now Jenkins starting server on a local machine, and to see Jenkins UI we need to go to localhost port 8080. Alright, so when we first time launching Jenkins, it's saying we need to unlock this, and it will provide you path to file with a password. So if you're on Windows machine, use a terminal to see a file, or use File Explorer and go to path it's displaying to see password. I'm on a Mac machine, so I'm just going to copy this address, and in terminal I will press Command N to open new window and just execute cat command to see what is inside file. So we have this password. I'm going to copy this password and paste in our text field in the Jenkins. Okay, so the next step, we have customize Jenkins, and we have install suggested plugin option or select plugins to install. I prefer to install suggested plugins, so I will click there, and what's happening right now is Jenkins installing all default packages. So it includes all packages listed here. After all plugins installed, the next step, we need to create user. I will create admin user with the same password. Feel free to create any username, and I'm providing some information. Alright, so we can now click save and continue. And instance configuration, so we have we can specify where to run, what is the Jenkins URL address. I'm not going to touch this. Click save and finish. And the next step, now we can start using our Jenkins instance. All right, so here's the default interface for Jenkins. And in the next video, we can start setting up some projects to execute our tests. Also, what is important, if you're going to restart your machine, then you need to restart your Jenkins server. So basically, if you press Command C in the terminal where you're running Jenkins, and then try to refresh localhost page, you're not running server anymore. So anytime when you restart the machine, make sure you are running Jenkins-jar jenkins.war file. Okay, so here's example. I'm relaunching my server, and when I'm going to refresh localhost 8080, then we'll see, please wait, Jenkins is getting ready to work. And in a few seconds, we see a login page. And when you sign in, we'll see our default UI. Okay, so here's a quick video how to launch Jenkins server locally on your machine.